Before I found Skipio and before I started working with Skipio, I did everything with Zapier 100%. And I had to go hire somebody and spend hundreds of dollars for somebody to write this complicated Zapier thing so that it would start messaging people and take them out of campaigns if they booked a session and all that kind of stuff. It was very, very complex. And for me to duplicate it, it would take me a few hours for me to just get a new campaign going because, and then I would be like, did I do this right? Because did I set up something wrong? Because it was very, very complicated. And I would always have to keep that service on retainer and pay them to like, hey, can you go double check my work and make sure it works? And it was very complicated. It slowed my business down drastically, and there was more opportunity for error. When I moved to Scipio, I like drip campaigns were like, oh my gosh, how easy is this? And it does it all for me. Like, I mean, I literally was just like, set up a drip campaign. If I'm starting a new campaign, that's a different genre maybe or something, or a different type of ad or something, all I have to do is duplicate that drip campaign and really just change the verbiage. I'm not changing anything else that's going in there. And it takes me maybe 5-10 minutes tops to change all that. When it comes to the zapping and because I have some other things that I do that are pretty complex, but they don't take me a whole lot of time when I integrate it with Scipio. And so it has saved me countless amounts of hours and time and then I'll take it to another step. Um, as a photographer, when I first started, I was using Google Voice to contact clients. And so if I got like 50 leads in on Monday, on Tuesday, I would try and contact all 50 of those leads. And I would do it through phone calls and text messaging and stuff. But then if I didn't get a hold of them, then on Tuesday I had 50, or on Wednesday I had 50 more leads from Tuesday. And so I would contact those 50 leads and then have to remember who I had this complicated spreadsheet that I was like, who did I get a hold of on Monday that I didn't get a hold of on, or whatever. And I was like, it was blowing my mind trying to get like keep this stuff organized, and I was literally losing my mind at some time, and to a point, to be honest, where you just give up. You're like, screw the Monday leads. I'm not going to use I'm going to move on. But what I have found with doing the automations, the majority of the people that we get, so our automation goes Monday, Tuesday, they get texts, Wednesday we take a day off, Thursday they get a text, Friday they get a text. The majority of our bookings happen on Thursday and Friday with those follow-up texts. And so it's taught me that just sending a text on Monday and Tuesday aren't how you're going to get your clients. Is sending the text on Monday, sending the text on Tuesday, following up with them again on Thursday, and then doing a final, hey, this is your last chance, follow-up text on Friday. And that's where we like get the majority of our bookings, is on the Friday. They're like, oh crap, I gotta get my booking done today. But if I would have had to try and do that the way I was doing it before, I would not be close to having the success that I'm doing now.